Hmm.
Can you tell us your name and your year and major?
Hi, my name is Kate Wisniewski, and I am a French Transnational Studies major, and I'm graduating in 2028.
Where did you go to study abroad?
I studied abroad in Madagascar, South Africa, and Indonesia.
Were the penguins in
There were no penguins in Madagascar, contrary to the awesome film.
What kind of animals did you see?
Lots. So the topic was biodiversity and resource management. So in Madagascar, we saw lemurs, we saw all sorts of bugs, large spiders that were terrifying, um, and something called zebus, which is kind of like a cow, except it has a huge bump on its back that's used for hydration. And then in South Africa, we went to actually on a safari, and so I saw giraffes, I saw lions, I saw rhinos, hippos, and then while I was in Indonesia, I did a lot of work underwater, and so I saw sunfish and sea turtles and tigerfish, triggerfish, which did try to attack me, but all is well. And yeah, lots of underwater things.
What was the best thing you ate and where?
Well, that's a hard question. I ate a lot of good food. Madagascar actually eats more rice in the world per capita than any other country. So a lot of rice in Madagascar, but with really delicious sauces. And I guess that has to be probably my favorite thing was really good rice.
What was one academic pursuit you explored abroad?
I did an internship, so I was through SIT, and during the SIT program, the last month you choose an internship with whatever organization you're interested in. And so I did an internship in coral conservation in Indonesia on the island of Bali. And so I essentially dived twice a day for about a month, and I planted corals, attached them to different structures. I was working with biorock, so it's coral structures or metal structures that are electrified. And so I got to work on those. Okay.
What was your favorite pastime there?
Oof. I loved hiking. I think that was the best way to kind of explore and just see new things. Um, but yeah, so I kind of hiked everywhere. I think my favorite hike was in South Africa. I made it to the top of Lion's Head, and you could see the entire city of Cape Town from below, and it was so pretty and so much fun.
What was your favorite place out of the three?
Probably Madagascar, to be honest. I mean, the beauty is completely undefeated. It's something like 83% endemic. So the species that you see there, plants and animals, you can see nowhere else. And the people were so amazing and friendly. I loved my host mom, and yeah, I definitely think Madagascar.
What is the biggest takeaway from
Do things that make you uncomfortable. Don't just sit inside of your house in your room. Go outside. Talk to people. Worst thing people can say is no, but try to make connections because it really is priceless the things that you'll learn there.
have you advice for choosing a program or living abroad?
I highly recommend not going to Europe. I feel like that's something that a lot of people default to. And as much as Europe is beautiful, I really think that there's a lot more out there, and I really enjoyed my study abroad.
Thank you, Kate.
Thank you.